along with me as we get a sneak peek before everything on the shelf is gone. If you're thinking of a garden theme or a luau, or you just want to add some color to your garden, this is an aisle for you. So let's start with the basics. This is $1.25. How cute is this? You have this Hawaiian luau theme for $1.25. Check out these lemon plates. Oh my God, this is so cute. This is definitely giving me garden vibes. The watermelon plates, the lemon plates, and this is a platter. And you see a similar theme right here, and the strawberry, guys. Isn't that so cute? Could you see yourself sipping iced tea or lemonade with these straws in your garden or on your patio for $1.25? They're definitely giving me summer garden vibes. They have them in teal, yellow, purple, and pink with the cute little Hawaiian flower at the bottom. And how about a margarita for your troubles right here? Isn't that so cute? I can definitely see myself entertaining a bunch of my girlfriends with these cute little cups. Not necessarily my vibe, but I know someone would like this. And check out the pineapple water bottle. Blue one and a pink one. You can always go with this one, Sweet Summer. And they got Hello Sunshine and Summer Vibes for $1.25. They got these gold placement mats, and also comes in green. Sunshine on my mind with the little pineapple. You can just hang this somewhere, but keep in mind that this is wood, so if you have it outdoors, you're gonna have to keep it indoors because this will get destroyed by the rain. And take a look at this one. Hello Summer. How cute is that? Some more wall placards to hang up. Hello Summer. Life is sweet in the summertime. Summer paradise and summer chilling. This is a canteen with a strap, and I think it's a water canteen that you wear over your body, and it's like a little, I think like a lollipop or some type of, yeah, it's a lollipop. I think they also had a camera that I grabbed. Here, take a look at this one. This is the camera one that they have. Isn't that so cute? You flip it up, you drink from it like that. Let me see if I can pull it up. Drink from it. Has a little straw, and it's a little canteen that you wear over your body for $1.50. It's like a camera. Oh, how cute is that? This is so cute. This wooden beads garland for $1.25. It's a lemon, and they have a flamingo one. How cute. I'm gonna take it down. I'll show you. And you can hang this on a tree, you can hang this near your garden bed, just to spruce it up a bit. This is definitely giving me wedding vibes, like bridal party. Isn't that cute? Just to have something like this in your garden, sipping, you know, near your porch or your patio. I mean, come on, it is adorable. For $1.25, you can't go wrong with that. I mean, come on, this is definitely for a diva garden. It's saying diva, diva, diva. And look at the big pineapple and the strawberry and the watermelon. I mean, this is so much fun, okay? I love the fact that they have so much varieties just to spruce up your garden, make it colorful, make it fun. It doesn't always have to be boring. And come on. I mean, if you invited someone over to your garden and you had something like this, they would be like, this is such fun, this is so cool. Say you don't want a luau kind of theme, Dollar Tree has its other summer products out that are a little bit less crazy, or I would say a less dramatic, but hey, take a look. How cute is this? Now, I think this is $6, but take a look at the strawberry. I think that's a strawberry one, and this is a different strawberry. It's for lemonade or water. You know, the next time that you're out in your garden, you can have this, put some lemonade in it, some iced tea, and this is for $6. How cute is that? I mean, I'm always thinking thinking of, like, you know, I always want my garden to be a place where it's fun. So I need some color, and this is definitely giving me lots of color, guys. I love it. I love it. More summer glasses for $1.50 if you want a little bit more of a modern touch and you don't want that luau festival look. This is really, really cute. Can you imagine just setting up your table in your garden or your patio and having these really cute glasses, these frost covered glasses? They really look nice, and they look more than just $1.50. I think this is something that you could probably get at Home Goods. Or you look at this one. This is a teal one. This is very, very pretty. And again, the margarita glasses, again, frosted, comes in different colors. It doesn't have the flowers though, but this is so, so cute anyway. And we also have the one right here too. This one is a dark blue. If you're getting any good information from this video, or if you just like what you're seeing, give me a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Again, so cute for $1.50. Let's take a look at this. The reason why I chose this aisle is because even though it's summer, it's screaming garden, right? This is something that you would find in your garden, and I'm feeling this, and this is a thick plastic. It's not cheap, so this is really, really, really nice. I love the fact that it's lemon and blueberry. This feels really good, nice quality. I think it's actually glass. And this one also, I think, is an evergreen. It's in green. And this one is pink. How cute is that? I think that is like maybe a daisy or maybe a dahlia, and it comes in pink. Last but not least, a strawberry in red. It's all about the 4th of July. To celebrate our country's birthday, they have all this bunch of garlands, and they have self-inflatable flags and posters and streamers. So yeah, check out your Dollar Tree to see if they have these items on their shelves. They got more water bottles. Bang, bang, bang. This one's in blue. This one is in red. And again, the tall ones, I mean, you know, what would you put in here? I don't think I would put lemonade. I'm thinking something like beer, right? Definitely something that reminds me that I'm gonna drink beer. Have the American flag. Really, really cool. So this is supposed to light up somehow. I don't know how, but that's what they're saying. Maybe the straw lights up, but it is a light up tumbler for $1.50. And if you're looking for something festive just to hang around the house during the 4th of July or the upcoming holiday, Home Sweet Home, you got America, this really pretty wreath. God bless the USA. It's a metal hanging decor. You can hang that also in your garden. And let freedom ring, and America, land that we love. And you have some more garden stakes to put out in your garden in front of your yard. And take a look at this garden stake. It's so cute. It says welcome. They got Crocs for $6. Now they don't have the flip-flops here yet. They have these basic ones. This is 12, a size 12. So they don't have the regular size. They don't have the different color flip-flops yet. They just have this basic black, but I'm assuming that in the next couple of weeks they will be getting really cute little flip-flops for me to wear and chill out in my garden. And these Crocs are $6 each. This will make a great summer hat for my garden. It's in black and in beige. And just take a look at this cute little beach tote bag for $5. These beach towels also for $5. Outdoor decorative pillows they got, which are all leaves, which is so cute. Look at this. And outdoor decorative pillows to put on your patio. Take a look at that. It's hummingbirds, and it changes different colors. Now let me tell you, I got this last year. It was on sale, but unfortunately this is now $6, guys. This is now $6. I got this one. This was $1.50, but now it is $6. But it's so pretty. see it changes different colors. The hummingbirds change from pink to blue to yellow. It is absolutely gorgeous. They have a whole bunch of summer stuff for the kitties. We're not going to spend too long here, but you can see they have the hula hoops and they have the bubbles and a lot of inflatables, beach inflatables. This one I think is so cute. They have a bunch of them and they have the shovels. So yes, they have a whole host of summer items here at Dollar Tree. So get them before they're gone, because you know the early bird gets the worm. So if you wait too long, all of these products will be gone. Buckets are $1.75, and these adult swim glasses I think are probably not $1.75. I don't know, maybe they're $3, but who knows. But they have goggles here also. And take a look at this pool noodle chair. OMG, like that. That's so cute. I think that, oh, this is $1.25 for the pool noodle chair. You sit in it and I guess it keeps you afloat. Nice. I'd try it out for $1.25. What do you think? Would you try it out for $1.25? Let me know in the comment section. The badminton rackets for $1.75. I love badminton, especially when I'm outside playing with my son. I love it. It's so much fun. It's a game for people of all ages. Very young people can play it, and even seniors can play it. So I love it. I just love this like plant theme. It is so cute. I'm not a big indoor plant gardener, but I would definitely get this for $1. It is so cute. Really nice. Doesn't look cheap, thank goodness. And take a look at the lemonade. Oh my god, this is so adorable. You know, this is so cute. This would definitely look nice on a patio if you had a sunroom when you're serving a little bit of sandwiches or maybe some cookies. How cute is that for $1.50? And guys, this feels really hard and sturdy. It doesn't feel flimsy, so it's not going to be something that you'll break. And it feels really heavy. So this is really good quality. How do I look? $1.50. Cute, isn't it? Guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. I know lots of those items I showed you will be in my garden, just to give it a little bit more festive look and, you know, spruce up some color. So again, if you liked what you saw in this video, give it a thumbs up. Better yet, hype the video and let YouTube know that you really enjoyed this video and you got good information from it. Subscribe, like the video, and share it with your family and friends. Until next time, guys, remember, stay rooted. Bye-bye.